we're diving into a comprehensive review of the brand new DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. This is a small folding smartphone gimbal that's making waves in the vlogging and content creation world. This gimbal promises superior tracking, smooth stabilization, and seamless compatibility with any camera app on both iPhone and Android, thanks to its new multifunction module. Also, with its ergonomic design, built-in mini tripod, and solid battery life, it seems like the perfect companion for on-the-go videographers. So it seems like this gimbal has it all for the $149 price tag. But the big question is, does it live up to its promises? Well, let's dive into a detailed review of these features and see whether this matches your style and needs. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and build quality. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7P continues DJI's tradition of creating sleek, foldable gimbals that are both functional and stylish. When folded, it's compact enough to fit into a coat pocket, making it incredibly portable for creators on the move. The magnetic clamp system makes mounting and detaching your phone effortless, saving you valuable setup time. One of the standout design improvements is the built-in extension rod and tripod, which is more convenient than the previous screw-on model. But it's worth noting that the tripod's short feet might make it less stable in windy outdoor conditions. The handle is well-shaped and covered in a grippy material that ensures a secure hold even during extended shoots. Overall, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P nails the balance between portability and usability, making it an excellent choice for vloggers and mobile filmmakers. Battery life and accessories are always crucial factors when choosing a gimbal, and the Osmo Mobile 7P holds up well. On a full charge, it offers up to 10 hours of use, but when the multifunction module is attached and tracking is actively used, expect closer to 5 hours. If the LED fill light is at full brightness, battery life may be even shorter. Speaking of the multifunction module, it's a fantastic addition. It includes an LED fill light with 4 brightness levels and 4 different color temperatures, as well as compatibility with DJI's Mic Mini for seamless audio recording. Unfortunately, it doesn't support the full-size DJI Mic 2, which could be a limitation for some users. If you plan to film outdoors frequently, investing in a more stable tripod might be a wise move. Moving on to stabilization and performance, the Osmo Mobile 7P truly shines in delivering buttery smooth footage. It utilizes a 3-axis gimbal that intelligently follows your movements, keeping shots stable even in dynamic shooting conditions. The 215mm built-in extension rod is a fantastic addition, allowing for wider vlogging angles and creative low or high-angle shots. The gimbal offers 4 movement modes: pan follow, pan tilt follow, FPV, and spin spot. Each mode caters to different shooting styles, from casual everyday filming to dramatic cinematic movements. While the settings aren't highly customizable, the default stabilization is impressive enough for most users. Whether you're walking, running, or even filming from a moving vehicle, the Osmo Mobile 7P ensures smooth, professional quality footage without requiring much effort. When it comes to tracking, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P takes a massive leap forward. The biggest game changer is the multifunction module, which enables human subject tracking across any camera app, not just the DJI Mimo app. This means you can use it with TikTok, Instagram, Zoom, or even your phone's native camera app, and the gimbal will still follow you smoothly. The new Active Track 7.0 system introduces group tracking, fast subject reacquisition, and tracking while zooming, making it one of the most intelligent tracking systems available. Additionally, gesture control allows you to start and stop tracking or adjust framing with simple hand movements, making solo vlogging a breeze. The only drawback is that it lacks 360-degree infinite rotation, a feature found on competitors like the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. But overall, if subject tracking is a priority for you, the Osmo Mobile 7P delivers in a big way. In terms of controls and usability, DJI keeps things simple and intuitive. The gimbal's onboard controls are nearly identical to the Osmo Mobile 6, featuring a joystick for manual movements, a zoom and focus wheel, and buttons for switching modes, starting and stopping recording, and flipping between front and rear cameras. The front-facing trigger can be held to lock the current gimbal angle or double-tapped to reset it. While these controls are easy to master, advanced users might feel limited in terms of fine-tuning stabilization settings. But for the average content creator, the simplicity of the controls makes the gimbal incredibly user-friendly, requiring minimal setup or learning curve. As for my final verdict, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P is a top-tier smartphone gimbal that checks a lot of boxes. It improves upon its predecessor with superior tracking capabilities, better app compatibility, and a more convenient built-in tripod. The stabilization is excellent, the controls are user-friendly, and the added multifunction module makes it a strong competitor in the ultra-portable gimbal market. At $149, it's competitively priced against its biggest rival, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, while offering a slightly more polished user experience. If you're looking for an all-in-one mobile stabilizer that keeps up with your creative needs, this is definitely one to consider.